Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Today I'm going to introduce you all a super nutritious fruit that provides a range of health benefits. This superfruit is papaya. Now let us see what happens to your body if you eat this fruit every day, moderately. 1. Protect your heart. Papaya is rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals, which help in keeping your heart healthy and fight off heart diseases that might come your way. Papaya is also rich in vitamin C, potassium and fibers, which promote healthy blood flow and keeps the arteries clean and healthy. The potassium in papaya helps keep your heart beating at the right pace, which help to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. 2. Make your skin glow. Papaya contains more than 200% of your daily dose of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful anti-aging ingredient because of its vital role in the body's natural collagen synthesis. It helps to heal damaged skin and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Adequate vitamin C intake can also help repair and prevent dry skin. Consuming papaya, which is rich in vitamin C regularly, also helps in giving essential nourishment to the skin and can improve skin texture, which make your skin glow. 3. Improve immunity. Papaya is rich in vitamin A, B, and K, which boost immunity. Vitamin C is thought to increase the production of white blood cells, which are key to fighting infections. This fruit also has powerful antioxidant effect, which can help fight against free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which often leads to diseases. 4. Improve eyesight. In combination with their powerful antioxidant properties, papayas contain carotenoids like beta-carotene that can be converted into vitamin A, which is important for healthy eyes and vision. Papaya also contains two special compounds called lutein and zeaxanthin. Vitamin A protects the corneas, whereas the antioxidants reduce the degeneration of the retina. Papaya fruit provides an all-over vision protection and even improves it to a certain extent. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.